go get some feed for these guys. These idiots. Why are you here? Why are you coming here? I'm literally gonna go get some grass. Get stuck. Alright, how do I do this? Should be enough. Look at the silly dog. Watch him go. Ah! Harvey! You want this grass? You want this grass? Woo! Look at these goobers. Look at these silly goobers. I just cut all this for them. This is next week, 9th. Damn, going to school. Look at these guys. Let's watch them do it all. Yeah, this is boring. How about you, mister? That tree stump. Look at him. You want DS? You want the DS? What are you doing? What are you doing? Wait, close. Oh, you get close to the camera. You get close to the camera. Oh, watch. I like you. I like you. Hey. I like you. I like you. You're big. Boss man. Scared. Clearly. You love greens. What are you doing?